You know, if you don't fix these three things in your channel will never get monetized. Yes, hear me right. Your channel will never get monetized. If you like, post the most qualitative content, post the most educative content, post whatever thing that you want to post. If these three things is not being fixed in your channel, my darling, you are working in vain. You are working in vain. Be it tomorrow, next tomorrow, 2 years, 3 years, your channel will never get monetized, because YouTube does not know your channel. YouTube does not know where your channels belongs. YouTube does not even know you. Yes, it's just like you going to the church without registering your name in that church. That is exactly what this settings is all about. Yes, it's just like you going to church. You just be a number. You have not registered your name in that church. Yes, nobody will know you in that church. They will just be seeing your face. Yes, people will be seeing your face, but they will not really know that you're a member of this church. All about this is what is all about, this settings that I'm about to show you guys now. Your YouTube desktop. Yes, in your YouTube desktop side. youtube.desktop.com. Yeah. The settings is very important. Me, I didn't even know that this something like this exists on this YouTube settings, or on this YouTube channel, until I was just pressing my phone, going through my channel yesterday. So I discovered these settings. I say, what? And I did not even set it. I did not even turn it on. I did not even put the right thing that I supposed to put. I said, Jesus Christ. So this is how, after I saw the setting, I'm now make a research about these settings, my darling. Hey, it's a huge, like a huge setting that can spoil everything. Yes, the setting is very hidden on that YouTube desktop, and it can spoil everything. It can spoil your effort. It can spoil everything. It's not as if you not get views, so you get views, but your channel will never get monetized. Yes, you'll never get monetized. So with that much being said, if you are new to this our space, you are highly welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Have you done that? Like this video, comment on this video so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I drop something helpful like this, helpful tips like this, okay? So, if you're a new YouTuber, I believe this video is for you. If you're an old YouTuber, nothing spoil. You might not even know. If you are yet to monetize, this video is for you. Do not scroll. Stay and watch this video. Watch it from the starting till the end, because each and every second of this video is a life-changing. I drop a life-changing information, yes. So do not go anywhere. Stay tuned and watch this video from the starting till the end, so that you'll not lag behind. Me, I've turned my own on. So let's go to our YouTube desktop site. Come over to your Google, type youtube.studio.dashboard. Just type it, it will come out. If you are not signed in yet, they'll ask you to sign in. Me, I've signed in already. You just log into the Google. This is not the channel I want to work on, so let's switch it. I've switched my channel. Oh God, what have I been doing? This, let me switch it back. That was the actual channel I wanted to work on, so let's switch it back to the channel. So when you switch it, it will come out like this. You click the settings, the down side. Then when you click the settings, you come to your upload defaults. When you come to your upload defaults, you come to advanced settings. When you come to the advanced settings, everything is here, my darlings. Everything is here. Look at it. First of all, you have to set your language and caption. You set it English. Yes, I use English United. Yes, United States. You set your language. The second thing is your title and description language. If just set your preferred language here, because there are so many language. When you click it, there are so many language: Arabic, English, all the languages are here. So just use your preferred language that you understand, that your audience will understand. So when you are done with that one, you come to category. Yeah, this is the second part, category here. Have you seen it? Have you seen the category? So which category is your channel fall into? Which of the category do your channel fall into? Is it au- autos and vehicle, or is it comedy? Is it education? Is it entertainment? Is it film and animation? Is it gaming? Is it how to and style? Is it music, or is it news and politics? Which one? Name them. Just choose any one that your channel fall into here. Okay, please know what your channel is falling into, because if you went and select another one, that is where your YouTube will channel your video to. All those people that are not even interested in what you are doing, that is where they will be pushing your video to. So be very 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 careful while choosing this part. Okay, one here. So we are done here. When you are done, you save it to me. I've already set my own. That is why I just went ahead and cancel it. But when you are done with your own, just save it. Yes, you see save, you see close or thereabout. Yeah, you see save and close. When you are done, just do that. Save it. Make sure that you save it, because if you don't save it, your work will just be in vain. Do you get? So the next thing is, come here to the same settings. Come to channel. When you open your channel, this is the this thing, the keywords here. Yes, make sure that you put the right keywords. Yeah, what your channel is all about, make sure that you put the right keywords. Put the right keywords. Put, if you don't know how to put right, if you don't know how to put correct keywords in your channel, just go to ChatGPT or go to VDIQ. Go to all those websites. They will, you just type your channel name, what your channel is all about. They will bring out the correct keywords for your channel. Okay, so that you will not make mistakes. So that you will not make mistake. If you don't put the correct keywords in your channel, my dear, that is another error. Yes, that is another error, because your category, the YouTube will not even know where to bundle your video to, where to push it to. It's just there. Your video will just be there. You understand? You understand when something is just there, it does not have direction, does not have destination. Your video will just be there, be just entering anywhere, anyhow. So just make sure that you put the right category. Your channel set as meant for kids, or hey, put these settings also. I've made a video concerning these settings also. So you have to put the right thing. If your channel is made for kids, make sure that you put made for kids. If your channel is not made for kids, make sure you put no, not made for kids. Okay, so that you not make mistakes. Abeg, that is it for this video. Okay, make sure that you put the right keywords, the right location, the right language settings, everything. Make sure that you've not made a mistakes while filling all these things, because the mistake you think that is just minor might harm you forever. Like, it might deprive you from how they used to say it, from eating the fruit of your labor, abi. Mhm. Eating the fruit of your labor, it might deprive you from doing all these things. So make sure that you don't make a mistake while doing this. It can as well correct it, but error will still be there. The error, the damage will still be there, but it might correct it. It might work out if you come back to correct it, but make sure that you done this thing. Okay, so I just found out this information yesterday. I said let me drop it today for my own amazing. You guys are an amazing people. You guys are really really amazing. My own amazing people. Don't worry about my subscriber, don't worry about my view. The views will come, subscribers will come. So the best thing is for me to drop important information for you guys, because you guys make me to be on 38 subscribers. It's not easy. People are struggling on one since, but here I am, 38. Before you know, 100, 200, before you know, 1000 are reach. Is We all started from what we all enter primary one before we enter higher institution. So that is it. I'm not giving up. Do not even plan to give up. Oh my god. Do not even plan to give up, because giving up is not an option. I wish Mr. Beast gave up on his journey. He wouldn't have been where he is now. Go and read about Mr. Beast. Go and watch his video. Go and watch how he struggled to get 1,000 subscribers. That guy is really went through a lot. So what are you still doubting? There is power in hard work, okay? Hard work pays. Make sure that you strategize, come back and try it again. If you drop a video today, if that video did not do well, go back, re-strategize, make research, come back and drop video. If you might drop that same video and the second time it will go pick up. So giving up is not an option, okay? Do not plan to give up. So if you watch this video to this point, I believe you've learned something. Please do me a favor to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on your post notification to be the first to notify whenever I drop information like this, helpful information like this. Please, because this channel is all about info, how to grow, how to become a better person in YouTube. So drop your comments, like this video, share this video to as many people as you want, as many people as you have. I don't know, English is hard. Abeg, share this video to plenty people in your contact list, your WhatsApp, your Facebook. Share it around. Make it go round, okay? You never can tell who is stranded, who is about to pay huge amount just to get this information I'm dropping for free. Just share it, okay? Might be a help to a soul that is stranded out there. So please share this video, turn on your post notification. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I don't want to take your time, because I will still drop other information. I still have other things to tell you guys on this YouTube studio desktop. This desktop, it might look small, oh, but there are so many things that you don't even know about. Yes, there are a lot of things that you don't know about. So I will still drop on that thing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.